And y'all thought we weren't gonna show you cleaning that big old Amberjack. Hold on, I got another giant.
Don't pull your back out.
All right, hold on. We got some really good tuna. And we got another mutton. We worked hard for those fish. So y'all want to know what, good God, what do you got in here? A dead person? What really aggravates me is this is my buddy Tom, his son Tyler, and his wife Laura. They're the weekenders, they're the novice, right? They fish like once a year. I fished until I mean, my family was wanting to disown me. Crystal said, I'll pay you $100 if we can go in. Tom sends me a picture of a huge grouper, a huge blackfin tuna, a red grouper, and they caught it all at a spot where you would never do that again. Ever.
Pro knowledge, baby.
So he's gonna come over. He wanted me to show him how to take the throats out, which is, not everybody does it. And his wife's big into getting everything off the animal. Y'all even got a steer from the fair last year. They're about eating organic, and this is organic. So we're gonna clean this and that. We don't have to drag a heavy cooler all the way over there, though. Shows how big he is. Tom called me, he was huffing and puffing like I was at Amberjack. Good God!
That is a big one.
That's a big old biggin. You want to trade the Amberjack straight up?
Please.
I'll smoke it for you. No, all right, let's get to cleaning them. He just made fun of me because of my electric wheelbarrow. Now don't worry, we're gonna get right back to that video in just a second, but I gotta tell you about something super important. That's Helix Sleep and my Midnight Lux. Now, if you follow along, you've heard me talk about Helix and my Midnight Lux dozens of times, and there is a reason for that. Right now, we're at my camp in Georgia in Paradise Park. Crystal and I come here often. We bring the boys, we bring family, and each and every one of them that sleep in my Helix Midnight Lux says the same thing. That's the best mattress they've ever slept in. This bed right here is my home away from home. Now, about 2 years ago, when I found Helix Sleep and this new Midnight Lux, I was struggling with back pain. I couldn't sleep very good at night. I found myself tossing and turning. My chiropractor is who told me about it. He told me to go online, take the sleep quiz. It's super easy. All you got to do is go to helixsleep.com/BlueGabe. Takes about 5 minutes. Punch in a little bit of your personal information, and Helix will fit you with a mattress that best fits your needs.
Another awesome thing about Helix Sleep is they offer free shipping within the United States. And Helix Sleep delivers straight to your doorstep.
Another awesome product made by Helix Sleep is their new mattress topper collection, and they have multiple toppers to choose from.
And one of the best parts is Helix Sleep is fiberglass free.
And trust me when I say, you lay down in any one of Helix Sleep's mattresses and you will have some of the best sleep of your life. Helix also offers a 100-night sleep trial test to make sure that you absolutely love your mattress. All Helix mattresses come with a 10-year warranty, and they also offer financing and flexible payment plans. Right now, Helix is offering a Memorial Day exclusive partner offer. 27% off site-wide plus a free bedding bundle with any Lux or Elite mattress order. All you got to do is go to helixsleep.com/BlueGabe or visit the link in the description below. Bet it won't fit.
Oh, shoot.
I knew it wouldn't fit. I was an inch short. Story of my life. Why are you laughing? Anytime I go to clean a fish, I always wash the slime off of them.
What did this come from?
This is off the morning skippy.
I hadn't even seen that.
With these big amberjacks, you want a sharp knife. Because they're so broad, you're going to do a lot of cutting. God, I'm about to throw up.
Wow.
You see what I'm looking at?
Oh my Lord.
This will gross a lot of people out. But I will say, all you do is cut around them. Look right here. Ooh, that's bad. Don't cook the worms. But so many people eat speckled trout and they almost always have worms. Almost.
Are you?
That was one I was gonna try to pull out, but He's right there. So we still have off that one fillet probably 8 pounds of edible meat. I don't need to take the scales off. I don't need to do anything. Look at it right there. Show them the worms. Tyler, you want to eat a worm? $5, Tyler, if you eat one.
Make it 100.
Make it 100. These kids these days. I have cleaned them though with no worms, so don't let this video discourage you from eating them. I actually did an Amberjack video not too long ago. We had a bunch of ex-snipers from the Marines here, and I cooked it and they ate every ounce of it, minus where that one had worms. They loved it. And it's almost always in their tail, so you don't have to worry about that. I could feel them when I was cutting through the meat on that first fillet. So this time, I can see them coming. I'm going to cut it a little bit short.
There you go.
Right about there. Now all we got left to do is show you how to smoke it. We have been a lot of places since y'all last saw us in this video. All you got to do to find the video where we catch this Amberjack is go in the link in the description below and look for it. I'll have them both linked together. This isn't all the meat. We just grabbed one pack. We're now in Georgia. We were in Crystal River this weekend, took the kids spearfishing and fishing. Crystal got to catch a bunch of fish. We had a good time. Came home from there yesterday, dropped them off, swapped boats, and came to our camp in Georgia. And now we're going to smoke this fish dip. So we always vacuum seal our fish. And it's important to get as much liquid as you can off of them when you vacuum seal them. But even after, once you thaw them back out, there's always still more moisture. I want it to be as dry as I can when I'm smoking it because I'm slow smoking it and I don't want much moisture in it. So once I get as much water off of it as I can, I'm gonna put it in this aluminum pan. Probably about 2.5 pounds of meat. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. Now a lot of people when they smoke fish, they brine it for a while. I've never really felt a reason to do that. Mine always tastes just as good. Put a little bit of this on here. And I'm gonna hit it with the Old Bay. And some salt. You can always come back at the end once you're making the dip and add whatever seasonings you want. You don't have to do it all right now. Just gonna roll it around in this. We've got a smoker going at my buddy TJ's camp right down the road. We're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, not much longer. We're gonna go put it on the smoker and then we're driving to Brunswick, Georgia to get some pogies because the crawfish are thick right now. The river's at almost 11 foot. If you don't know where we're at the Automahal River at our camp in Paradise Park. If you're new to the channel, I have tons of videos here, a lot. Just go into my library and look, all catfishing videos, crawfishing videos. That's where we're at now, and the river is high. The last couple times it's been low. It's high now, which means the crawfish are going to be running. We've got to go to Brunswick and get some pogies for bait. We're going to come back and set crawfish traps tonight, but that will be in the next video. This video is all about smoking Amberjack, and it's going to be good. We're going to make a Key West style smoked fish dip.
What are you doing?
Cut all that grass.
Why are you cutting it?
Nobody else gonna cut it.
I'm going to use your smoker. Is it smoking?
It was on.
All I can see is dust from your power pulling this lawnmower.
Is that why you come here? You thought it was on fire?
Yeah. We're running. Oh, you got my BlueGabe hat on too. We're gonna run to Brunswick and get some pogies for crawfish.
Y'all, that's our really good friend TJ. He's who built my camp. And if you've watched my videos, you already know who he is. That dude is one of the hardest working guys you will ever meet. He probably left his house this morning at 5 a.m. worked till now, and he's gonna go down there and mow grass that nobody else will mow. What up, old boy? Look at us twinning today with our shirts. He also has him a pile of boats just like me. They go all the way down the road. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Probably will take, we got it on 185 degrees. It'll probably take about 3 hours, 4 hours, something like that. The guys will keep track of it while I'm at the fish market. You like smoked fish dip? You've never had smoked fish dip?
It's a
He must
Florida thing.
I don't know where he's from, but he ain't from the South. You from like Michigan or something?
It's just a Florida thing.
A Florida thing.
Let's show him the baby bump. You got a watermelon in there?
I've got 2 more months to go.
How big's the
And I
baby
feel-
right now on your app?
14 inches and 2.5 pounds.
The other day we're driving in from Crystal River. We're way offshore and I'm just driving. She's sitting next to me and I see her over there doing this and I'm like, what could she be measuring? I'm like, what are you doing? She goes, is this about 14 inches? I'm like, yeah, give or take. She goes, that's how big the baby is. I'm like, so random. We're just running in and that's what she's over there thinking about. Well, we got sidetracked today. While the fish was cooking, it ended up taking about 3 hours, but Crystal, myself, and Brad went on the river looking for red breast and God, what we're 4 hours, 5 hours on the river.
Yeah.
I was wading around looking for them. We did find some, so we're gonna go after them tomorrow. TJ took the fish off and it came out perfect. I like my fish dip a little chunky, so I'm not gonna sit here and grind it up. As I'm stirring it, it's gonna break up even more. So I'm gonna start out with it about that right there, because I want a big chunk of fish when I'm scooping some fish dip out. One of the great wonders of the world is where our bowls went. We used to have a bunch of big blue bowls, mixing bowls. They're not here. So you can see I just added the fish. Now I'm gonna add about a half an onion and a couple sweet peppers. Take about a quarter of lime. Big old dollop of mayonnaise. Now the mayonnaise isn't an exact science. You just add it until you get it to the consistency that you want it to. About a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Liquid smoke, right there. Not too much, about that much. 8 or 9 drops. Now we're gonna take some pickled jalapenos. Typically Crystal and I like to put these on the crackers, but I also like to mince them up and put them straight into the dip. Cut them up pretty fine, about the size of minced garlic. You can add as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna do about that much sour cream, and I'm gonna mix it up. I won't add seasonings again until I get it to where I want it and can taste it. It's one of those things, I mean, I guess you could do an exact recipe, but I like doing it by taste.
All we did was add it to the bowl. I didn't have to add any more seasonings, nothing. I did taste it though. Perfect.
It's perfect. You did good, baby.
And look, that's only 2 little pieces. We still have that much left.
That's enough fish dip for, you know, family of 5 or 6 to have an appetizer before dinner. Amberjack might not be your favorite fish, but when you catch it, take care of it, smoke it. It can make some of the best dip in the world. If you want, rewind the video, watch exactly what I did. Your kids can do it, it's that easy. Smoked fish dip is one of our favorite things in the whole world, and thought I'd share this video with you. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm stuffed up again. I feel like I'm coming down with the flu again, the second time in 2 weeks. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm gonna end this video and get a good night's sleep because tomorrow we're starting a whole new video. Thank all y'all for watching. Thank all y'all for your support. Until next time though, we'll be seeing you.